Hello viewers, are you facing Messenger this set is no longer active error problem? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users experiencing these issues in Messenger. In this tutorial, I will explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. Basically, this is not a problem with your account. This error is showing due to the new update policy in Messenger. Messenger has recently introduced a new update. The update is that from now you will not be able to exchange any message without into encryption. For this reason, this error showing. There is no way to fix this error. Now you have to restart this conversation again. For this, click on switch to other set and then new set will start. However, this message has not been deleted yet. If you want, you can go to the archive and see this message. For that, just click on menu option, click on archive. Here you will see your lost conversation. Just open it and save your conversation and data. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.